Hello folks, let's do a little walk around of the garden. I've got a question I need to ask. Maybe y'all can give me a comment on it. But let's go around through here and I'll show you what I'm talking about, and then we'll look at the rest of the garden. These flowers in the front here, they're about gone. This heat, boy, it really works on them right in here. Of course, them flowers, those flowers right there, you don't even have to water them. All right, here's our rose bushes. They've just about quit blooming. But my question is you can see something gets to eating on them, and it really messes up the blooming. So does anybody know what that is? I sure would like to know if you'd give me a comment on it or put it in the comments. I don't know, it just makes them look rough. I just got through mowing the yard. That's a job for me anyway. May not be for a young man. Let's get on back up here. Now those are real flowers right there coming on. I don't know. She knows what they is, but I don't. This is them store-bought taters me and Chris planted. I don't know if they'll make any potatoes. It won't be long we'll get them out of there. But the plants have sure been pretty. We'll get on over here. We got a video where we dug this up and planted these bulbs. They're coming on. They're not too, there's a few places didn't come in, but it won't take them long to multiply. And then there's a daylily, I think, what's them called. Beautiful. And then here's some more of that where we dug it up and planted them bulbs. They're really doing good. We got a video out there. I think it said planting, I think the name of it's planting irises the hard way for 2 old people. But that right there like to guide us. And here's our yellow rose bush. It's sort of doing the same thing the red one's doing, but it don't seem to be as bad. And here's the back up a little. There's the roses there. It's beautiful right now. Blooms are really coming right now. It's beautiful. All right, now this was where our potatoes was. We got them dug up, and we got a video on that where we dug them up. We made a pretty good little haul there for us. But I'm fixing to fix this bed back, and I'm gonna plant cucumbers, maybe a zucchini or a squash, something that I know will make it between now and the cold weather, which, But I got some cucumbers over there, but I'm afraid they're not getting enough sun. Here's our flower bed. I finally put up just a little bit of a fence to get keep the cats out. Them blame feral cats. Anyway, the beautiful flowers has come on in there now. And they're really looking good.
If they're fixing to come, they're moving right along.
Yeah, I seen them. What do you think?
They're looking good.
You think we're gonna make any taters, son?
Oh yeah.
You do? What about them we dug up over yonder? We made a pile of them, didn't we?
Yep.
Yeah, boy. That's good. Old Chris, he likes growing taters because he loves to eat them, don't you?
Yep.
Yep.
In the yard, done mowed. Done that earlier.
Look at this little feller. Right there's one that's beautiful. I like those yellow ones. I think they're so pretty. But yeah. Got all kind of colors in there. They're pretty, no doubt. There's Glenda's hippopotamus. That thing's went through. It's been froze and dropped and everything. We've had to glue it back together 2 or 3 times. But he's still here, like me. I've been dropped and thrown and kicked and everything else, and I'm still here. Now here's my big boys. I need to get in there and thin it out just a little bit, but I got tomatoes everywhere. It ain't gonna be long now. Gonna be eating tomatoes. This is my Cherokee purple right here. If you see, get down in here and, oh man, look at that. You talking about making a tomato?
Long way to go.
You talking about making a tomato sandwich? Woo! So good. Right. There's one here, another one. There's my cucumbers. I just don't know. They just these tomato plants are shading them out. They don't, might make a few. But this flower come up by itself, and we just left it. I couldn't have the heart to pull it up. And then I don't know what that is. Sort of looks to me like chard, but I ain't never had no Swiss chard in here.
You see that over there, Daddy?
But we go out here and look at this. This strip I planted. I've had a hard time with this. But it's looking fairly decent.
This right here.
I got that big boy. That's that little that I was going to give away, and nobody wanted it, so I just brought him out here and planted him. He got tomatoes all over him. He'll be ready here and there too. This is my October beans that I come back out here and planted. My beets didn't do no good. I don't know. These probably won't do much good. This old soil ain't too good out here. I'm going to have to work on it. But maybe I'll get a good mess out of it anyway. And then there's one okra plant that survived. I didn't have the heart to cut it down, so we're going to leave it there. And that's about it. We got everything mowed. Everything looks pretty good, Like I say, we didn't grow a whole lot this year, and I may, if Lord's willing, I'm still around, we may do a little more next year. Because I like to eat, especially homegrown vegetables. I love them. But, all right, well, I guess I'm going to get off here. We've talked to y'all long enough. As always, God loves you, and I love you. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. We'll see you on the next one. Later.